Okay, so I guess this is a bit of a Mr. Hand style unboxing. So we'll have a look at the Rolex Yacht-Master II and we'll compare a few of the differences to the Oyster Datejust. Obviously there's going to be quite a few there. So this is the nondescript outer Rolex box. Yeah, fairly straightforward, white box. We'll just take that away and drop that down there. Then we have the also fairly nondescript Rolex outer hard box as well. This nice light green with the embossed Rolex crown on there. Okay, so we just open that up. Opening up the front flap of this one, we've got the Rolex logo here, and we've got the dust cover over the main signature Rolex green box that you generally see on display in the authorized dealers. So we just slide this one out. I'll put these ones off somewhere safe, keep them nice. And here we have the Rolex green box. It's got the nice wavy design on there and the Rolex crown logo. Other than that, it's a green box. But without further ado, let's open it up. And there we go. So, I guess starting from the top, we've got the Rolex logo. We open this up here. We've got the guarantee card and we've got the instruction manual. I actually really enjoyed reading this because there's a lot of info about regattas and how that ties in with the unique regatta countdown on the Rolex Yacht-Master II. I'll just put those back. I've already had 2 links taken out of this watch for me so that it would fit my very small wrist. There's the Rolex authorized dealer's price tag. Ouch. And also the little test certification tag as well. As I say, I'm very pleased to have got this from an authorized dealer. I don't support or endorse any of the grey market resellers or the flippers. They're just making a quick buck, and obviously well, there's issues with warranty as well with buying through them. So we'll just take the watch out. There it is on this nice little cushiony thing. Let's slide that off. And before we have a look at the front of the watch, I want to show you the clasp on the back. This is significantly different to the clasp on, say, the Oyster range. Let's have a look. So, starting with the clasp, because it's the very first thing I noticed when I tried to put the watch on when I was testing it out in store. Here's the clasp from my Oyster Datejust. And this one is a simple clasp. It's really easy to use. I'll just show it to you there. And I can generally put this watch on with one hand because all I ever have to do is get my fingernail under the top part there and it opens straight up. So I'll just do that again for you. Obviously it does need a little bit of strength to do because it's very strong, but it's really a one action clasp and it's good. The clasp on the Yacht-Master II is very different. So firstly, you actually have to open up the safety clasp, then you can open up the secondary clasp. So it's 2 actions. It's there as a safety, I guess, because of the value of the watch. It's not bad. The Rolex logo on here is much more pronounced than it is on there. So let's flip them both over. Obviously the Yacht-Master II is significantly larger than the Datejust as well. I believe my Datejust is a 36, the Yacht-Master II is a 42mm diameter. It's significantly heavier as well, so it is going to take quite a lot of getting used to on my part, but I am looking forward to wearing it. So let's go through what some of the other functions are of the Yacht-Master II. So the Datejust, fantastic. It gives me the date and the time, and it's been a beautiful watch that I've owned for 15 years, and it has been with me on so many different life experiences. I would never part with it. I've got so many happy memories with it. It's very comfortable to wear, and I'm probably going to wear it most of the time going forward as well, even though I do now own the Yacht-Master II as well.